Future Kindergartners. This is Miss Turner with another Read Aloud. Today we're going to be reading an informational text. That means a book that teaches us about something. The book we're going to be reading today is called Sun, 1 in a Billion. This is a fun book. What do you think it's going to teach us about? If you said the sun, then you're right. This book is going to teach us more about the sun. It was written by Stacy McNutley and illustrated by Stevie Lewis. This is like the moon book. Sun, 1 in a billion. It says, once upon a time, about 4.6 billion years ago, a magnificent and important star was born. Wonder who it could be. And that magnificent and important star was me, your sun, with a capital S. Yes, I am a star. Star. One massive and luminous ball of gas full of energy. So this book is telling us what star means. A star is a luminous and massive ball of gas. He says, too, an outstanding, talented, and popular performer. Ooh, so star is a word that can have two meanings. The sun thinks he fits both. He thinks he's a star, and he's the star of the show. The Milky Way galaxy has 100 billion stars. Whoa, that's so many. That makes me 1 in a billion, or 1 in 100 billion. I'm not the biggest. So what? I'm not the brightest. Who cares? Not the oldest. Whatever. But I am the most important. At least to you, Earthlings. Why do you think the sun is important to Earth? Think about it. Let's see if this answers our question. Can you hang out for 8 minutes? That's how long it takes my light to reach Earth. Ooh, so this book taught us another fact about the sun. It takes 8 minutes for light to reach Earth. He says, yep, I give you heat and light. You're welcome. I'm so important that Earthlings should name a special day in my honor. We call it Sunday. Oh, wait. We have a day called Sunday, right? I'm famous for my heat and light, but I also hold our entire solar system together. Scientists call it gravity. What can I say? The planets are all attracted to me. So the sun has a lot of gravity that holds all the other planets in place. And because I'm the center of our solar system, life revolves around me, literally. Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, those are all planets in our solar system. Look, they all go in the same direction. So we learned that all the planets revolve or go in a circle around the sun. The sun stays in the middle. Those other stars are far, far away from Earth, which makes them look teeny tiny and not so important. I'm close, a mere 93 million miles from the Earth. To Earthlings, I look like this. But to Neptunians, I'm 2,795 million miles away, and I look like this. If there were Neptunians, there's no known life on Neptune. So if there were aliens on Neptune, the star would be so teeny tiny. The sun would look like that. That's really small in the sky. That would be a tiny sun. Technically, I'm a yellow dwarf star, but I'm still a big, big deal. If I were the size of a basketball, Earth would be smaller than a grain of sand. You could fit about 1 million Earths inside me. Whoa. But you can't fill me with Earths because I'm hot stuff. Compare. A hot summer day is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. A pizza oven is 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a lot. The orange yellow in a fire is about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, that's really hot. But the sun, me, about 10,000 degrees on the surface. I can melt diamonds. Whoa, the sun is really hot. Me, at my center in the middle of the sun, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That is really hot. Ancient Earthlings thought I circled around the Earth. Can you imagine it? Me circling around the Earth? And some might think that I sit in the sky all day and all night, but I got moves, baby. I'm still spinning. And because I'm not solid, my middle moves faster than my top and bottom. Don't try this at home. So the middle of the sun goes around in a circle and it goes faster than the rest of the sun. I'm not only important, I'm generous and good looking. Sunrises, sunsets, northern lights, southern lights. Sit back and enjoy the show. So the sun can make things really pretty. Sometimes I like to be mysterious and sneak away for a few minutes. Solar eclipse. But don't worry, I'm just hiding behind the moon. While I'm astronomically bigger than the moon, 400 times wider, the moon is astronomically closer to Earth, 400 times closer. So the moon is smaller, but because the moon is closer than the sun, they look the same size in our sky. They're not actually the same size. My neighbor stars have fancy names. Meet Proxima Centaurea, Alpha Centaurea A, and Alpha Centaurea B. Me, I just need 3 letters. Give me an S, give me a U, give me an N. What does that spell? Sun. Sun, sun, he's our star, light and heat from afar. Please note, that's a capital S because I'm important. Not to hog the spotlight, but I've still got it. I'm the same hot, bright star I've always been. The sun is always the same. A stable star is a good star. You don't want your sun getting hotter or cooling off. That could be really messy. So grab your shades. I plan to be in the biz for another 6 billion years. You and me, we've got a bright future together.